Are you ready to ride through a volcano? Come wander with us at Tokyo DisneySea as we take on the world's only roller coaster that blasts you straight through an erupting volcano. Hold on tight, we're going on a journey to the center of the earth.
I screamed because it was kind of fun, but the drop was really scary, so I just clung on to that tent.